Hi, welcome to my channel. Let's make sweet potato balls and sticks. Take 2 sweet potatoes and peel them. Take a pan and add water. Put a stand in the water. I cut them into pieces. You can boil them any way you like. When boiled properly, take them off. Mash them. Add a 1/4 cup of sugar, which is optional. A 1/2 cup cornstarch. Use a little bit of water to knead to dough. Make small balls and sticks. Shallow fry them on low-medium heat. Sweet potato snacks are ready. Thanks for watching.